Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show how to use NordVPN with Kodi to keep streaming activity private and access content safely. We cover setup, connecting to servers, and useful tips for streaming. Kodi is a free open-source media player and entertainment hub made to organize and stream digital media like videos, music, podcasts, and photos from local network storage or the internet. It is formerly called XBMC. It is highly customizable and works on many platforms, including Windows, Android, Linux, and Amazon Fire TV. The main reason for using NordVPN with Kodi is to protect privacy and security while streaming. It encrypts the internet connection, hides the IP address, and allows access to geo-restricted content, making streaming on Kodi safe and unrestricted. We will take it step by step so everyone can follow along. First, we open our NordVPN. If NordVPN is not installed, it can be downloaded. At the top, we can choose the platform needed: macOS, Linux, or mobile devices like Android or iOS. There are also browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and other apps. Once the application is installed, open the NordVPN application. This is the NordVPN application. To connect, first log in your account and subscribe to their premium plan. Now simply click to establish a secure connection. Let NordVPN select the best server for your needs. NordVPN will choose a fast and suitable server for your use. Once connected, Kodi can be used safely. Just make sure NordVPN is active while using Kodi. With NordVPN active, streaming is safe. Privacy stays protected, and content can be accessed more securely. Always keep the VPN connected when streaming to protect your data. Stream safely and stay secure.